Smiling, that's why I'm always wishing hard for you. 'Cause your light shines so bright, I don't feel no solitude. You are my first start at night, then I'll be lost in space without you. Well, never. Okay, let's go back to our intro. That's our intro in the first and second verse. Okay, the intro chords are A major 7, A7, F sharp 7, B minor 7, D, and E. Okay. For A, strum down, brush down, and then pick. Open first string, hammer in full off. Okay? And then A major 7, brush down, and then hammer on, pick the second fret, second string, hammer on the third fret, and pull up. Now we go to A7, pick third string, second string, third string, first string, third string again, and then second string. So strum down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's third, second, third, first, third, second. Okay? Same for F sharp 7, and then same picking. Third, second, third, first, third, second. B minor, same picking. B minor 7, take off your pinky, make it B minor 7, third, second, third, first, second, third, second. Okay, and then D, third, second, third, second, third, third, second, third, first, second, third, and then E, finally. So, B minor 7, and then E, finally E. And then we go to the second part of the intro. It's A on the 5th string, and then G on the 3rd string, D on the 5th string, and D minor on the 5th string. Okay. That's 4 times. Okay, you strum it. So like down, down. Okay, got it. Down, down, up, down. 4 times. Okay. Now we go to our first verse. Verse chords are same as the first part of the intro. A major 7, A7, F sharp, B, and E. Just okay. Strum, down and up, same strumming. Sometimes I get tired of this me first attitude. You are the one thing that keeps me smiling. That's why I'm always wishing hard for you. Okay, our second verse is same chords, same strumming, and then all the way. Even our chorus is same chords. Okay, so let's go to our chorus. And I will never lose my faith in you. How will I ever get to heaven if I do? And then back to instrumental 2 times. G, B, D, D minor, D minor, and then third verse. Feel just so fine when we touch the sky, me and you. This is my idea of heaven. Why can't it always be so good? But it's alright, 4 verse. I know you're out there doing what you gotta do. You are my soul, satellite. I've been lost in space without you. And back to chorus. And I will never lose my faith in you. How will I ever get to heaven if I do? Instrumental. This is 15 times. 5 times. Okay. And then after will I ever get to heaven without you have to do it 15 times before you fade. Okay? Well, I guess that's it, guys. Chords, all the same. except for the second part of intro and the instrumental. Okay, and the last instrumental, which is A, G, D, and D minor. Okay, so our next lesson, we go to our next lesson. Lover's Moon by Glenn Pray. Okay. Okay. There's a lover's moon tonight as I look back over my shoulder. All the stars are shining bright, just like the night when I used to hold, waiting. She's out there somewhere under the lover's moon. Okay, that's it. So don't forget to click the notification bell. Those who haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Please subscribe. And please like and share. You can comment and you can make a request. Okay guys, have a good day.